The F2 error code is an indication that there is no communication between the temperature sensor and the control module. This issue can be caused by a faulty temperature sensor or a loose or damaged wire connection between the temperature sensor and the printed circuit board. To resolve this issue, it is essential to check the wire connection between the temperature sensor and the printed circuit board for any loose or damaged wires and plug connections, which may be corroded. If the connections are loose, they should be re-secured, and if damaged, they should be replaced. If checking the wire connection does not resolve the issue, the temperature sensor may be faulty. To check the sensor, it should be accessed and inspected for any physical damage. A multimeter can be used to check the continuity of the sensor. At 20 degrees Celsius, the resistance should be around 14.9 ohms. And at 12 degrees Celsius, it should be about 12 ohms if the sensor is damaged or the resistance is outside the manufacturer's limits. It should be replaced. In some cases, it may be necessary to seek the assistance of a qualified technician to check and replace the sensor. If the problem persists after attempting these steps, it is recommended to contact qualified personnel for further assistance.